victim. This is war. It's the moment of truth and the moment to lie, and the moment to live and the moment to die. The moment to fight, the moment to fight, to fight, to fight, to fight. To the right, to the left, we will fight. To the dead, to the edge of the earth. It's a brand new world from the last to the first. To the right, to the left, we will fight. To the dead, to the edge of the earth. It's a brand new world, it's a brand new world. Did you see that? Take a look.
Charlie 3-1, this is Lima 490. We've got a potential hostile situation here. Requesting immediate backup at Mike Bravo 4587.
Warning to the prophet, the liar, the honest. This is war. Oh, to the leader, the pariah, the victor, the messiah. This is war. It's the moment of truth and the moment to lie.
Keep an eye out.